We finish our logo on the wall, have some parties, and celebrate Carnival with the parade in town.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
There is a tradition of sailors who are passing through Porto Santo to paint their boat's logo on the wall. This has been going on for many years. The wall is pretty full, and the older faded ones are painted over with new logos. It is a big variation of different colors from different countries. We see logos of familiar boats that we have met before, or from boats we've met here in Porto Santo. It's time to put our logo somewhere on this wall. So here we go.
Here we're gonna make our artwork. Not really straight, but it's a wide square.
Mooi.
The Marina Bar is also a restaurant. Sometimes the cook, Teresa, is making a special meal that's not on the menu. Here we are having a special pasta lunch with a group of friends.
Bon appetit! Eet smakelijk!
And a tasty maracuja, passion fruit, dessert. Hans wanted to clean the water intake on the sail drive of his boat. He's trying our new diving snorkel and was very pleased with it.
A little over 600 euro. But it makes you need to work on the bottom of your boat, right? Don't worry, I'll wash it all anyhow. I gotta rinse everything off with fresh water.
Is het goed zo?
Ja, it's prima.
Happy face!
Even laten caviteren.
Ik heb Caroline! Hi Poppy! Ben even weg! Happy face! Even varen!
To clean the rest of the growth from the hull, he and Leontine took the boat for a spin out of the harbor. It's nice to see the island from a distance in the ocean once in a while. At least Leontine got out this time. Occasionally we are having a party in town or going to a bar or disco with friends from the sailing community and locals. There was a beach party next to the marina with a DJ, with drinks and food and a nice warm fire. Not bad for winter. It is Carnival time in Porto Santo. The most things are canceled because of a storm passing by with a lot of rain and wind. On Fat Tuesday, there is a Carnival parade. We didn't expect too much on an island with only 5,500 inhabitants, but it was surprisingly beautiful. There were a few groups from Madeira coming over to perform in the parade.
rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Hey, hey, give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.